In this video, we will walk you through the installation process, ensuring you get the most out of your new audio setup. From placing your speakers in optimal positions to connecting everything for the best surround sound experience. So stay tuned and welcome to MG Factor. Whether you are upgrading your home theater or setting it up for the first time, this easy to follow instruction guide will help you transform your space into a true cinematic experience. So let's get started. Always follow the manufacturer's instruction. My layout is very similar to what you see here. So I will have one right and left speaker and a center speaker in the front and two surround sound speaker, which are ceiling speaker, behind the couch. Placing the speaker 48-inch above the ground. After all the measurements are done and before you make the final cut, please ensure there is no stud or wires or any kind of connections behind the wall. As you can see, we have got the cut for all of our wall speakers here, and we haven't done the installation as of now. Reason being, the paint has to be done, and once everything is completed, we will install them. We already placed the wires behind the wall and always have two wires per speaker. Now, as you can see right now, we are doing an electrical outlet in the center of the wall, which will be right behind the TV for the power, and you will not see any wire hanging in the front. So everything will be inside the wall. We are placing an additional box which will have three HDMI ports, which will again be concealed behind the wall. Hope you found this video helpful. In the next video, we will do the connections and the sound test. Until next time, stay safe and healthy and keep watching MG Factor.